Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have a good one today. I know I've been gone for a while now, but we have a good one today. Today we're going to be pulling the boat engine out of my buddy's 1991 Chris Craft. Hopefully we get it done today. If not, we'll do the series in the next couple of days and it'll be one video for you guys. So hope you guys stay in tune and enjoy what you guys see. For now, let's get started by loading up some tools. We'll put them here in the bed of the truck and we'll pack up and we'll be on our way. Hey guys, I wanted to say one thing while we were driving over to this barn where we're gonna pull the engine at. Please excuse this terrible Fu Manchu that's on my face. I'm just having because today's actually Halloween and I'm Hulk Hogan for Halloween, so you know, gotta play the part. So please excuse it, and if you want, enjoy it. I've never really been one to be able to grow facial hair in the first place, so I'm pretty proud of it, even though it's terrible, but you know, all in good time. Maybe in a few more years I'll be able to have a couple more facial hairs. Look at these pretty leaves. Michigan fall time, gotta see it. All right, I just got here, let's go inside, check out that boat. Gosh, it's a beautiful day outside today. It's sunny, it's Saturday morning, it's Halloween, can't beat it. So I've been doing a really bad job of keeping you guys up to date. We're essentially ready to pull it now. Let me show you guys what we have going on right now. So here's Austin. We have the chain fall hooked up to the rafters here in this barn. Some like 2x12s up there. Right now we're trying to get the front of the engine lifted just to make sure that our front mount is disconnected. We're not really sure. This is what we have. This nut that's that stud that's sticking up right below the water pump is what we have disconnected right now. We're not sure if that's going to be able to pull it out or not, but we're going to give it a whirl here. And right now we have Tay putting together the engine stand. So we'll show you what we have. As you can see, we were able to get it pulled out here. All of our mounts were the right mounts that we pulled it out, no issues. Thankfully so. Whoever had this boat before Austin cut this, I don't know what this wall would be considered, if it's part of like just a compartment, but it was already pre-cut, so we were able just to remove that and make it a lot easier to pull the engine. And then our centering was pretty good with the ceiling joist, so it pulled forward just a little bit, so then it didn't get stuck underneath this back cover here. So my first time pulling a boat engine, my first time pulling an engine in general, so it's pretty exciting to be able to do this with Austin and Taylor. So this is where we're at right now. Pulled the boat out with the truck, lowered it back down. So as you can see here, we're ready to mount the engine stand to the engine. We just need to go to the parts store, get some bolts, and put it where the bell housing would mount, to the back of the block. So we'll catch you here in a minute. We're gonna run to the parts store and I'll check back in when we get back. All right, guys, we were able to finish up. We got the engine here from the boat loaded back in the bed of Austin's truck, and we're gonna take it to my house and tear it down and hopefully figure out what the issues are with it. So next time, you'll see us at our house tearing it down. This is Taylor. All right, guys, bye. Well, guys.